Hey guys, today we're going to talk about marketing campaigns. How cool is that? So what is a marketing campaign? Well, basically this is a series of different marketing processes that are brought together in one nice tidy package in order to sell your product, service and brand to customers. So I'll give you an example of one which is set up. So first of all, we look at the social media, we get an idea of who our ideal customer is. How do people talk to our brand? How do they respond when we communicate with them? We build our ideal customer model, right? Then, once we understand who our ideal customer is, which is the market research which we're doing because these are the people who are buying from us in the first place, once we understand the kind of personality that we've got, we can then craft Facebook posts, Google business posts, which are there to basically bring people to the business. And to basically start the process of going through the marketing campaign. Now we've built a capture page on the website, so people will be going to the capture page and they will be signing up to a specific service. So that's an example. Let's say they sign up to an email newsletter. So you've got an email campaign that you've laid out and you've got information about your product, services and everything. And often in your initial email you want to give people something for free. That is part and eventually it'll get to the point where it's like, hey, would you like to get hold of this product? So that is a marketing campaign. You can also have things like QR codes in newspapers, things like that where people can scan it. Let's say you get a free kebab or whatever, you know. So it's one of those things where by putting all of this stuff together, you can get a really smooth engine which is going to bring people into your business. It's a lot. Some people refer to them as marketing systems, but really they are campaigns. Anyway, I've whittled on for far too long. You take care and have a lovely day. Bye.